Hello friend, welcome from Programming Bangla. Today I will show you how to install WordPress locally on your PC. This method is very easy and you don't need to install WordPress manually. I will tell just a software and it will install WordPress and database on your PC automatically. So let's start. First, go to your browser and search bitnami WordPress. Go to the first link. It is the official website of bitnami WordPress. Click on this. And click on download for Windows 64-bit. It will automatically detect your PC. Okay, the download is started. I have already downloaded this file, so I don't need to download it again. Here is my file. Just open it. Okay, the installation is running. You can change your language from here. Click next, next, and again next. Change your website name from here. Enter the email address. I am using the default address. It's the username of your admin panel. And type the password. And retype it here. Then click next. Change the blog name. Click next. Again next. Next. Okay, close it. Click next. The installation is running. It may take few minutes, so I am making this video faster. Okay, the installation is completed. Click finish. Click access WordPress. Yeah, it's your WordPress website. You can change the design and other things from your admin panel. Go to your admin panel, write login, enter the username and password, it's the admin panel of your WordPress website. You can change themes and you can customize your website from this panel. You can post from here. Just click add new. You can change the settings. I'll make other video on how to customize your WordPress website. You can go to your database, just write phpMyAdmin, write root on your username field. It's the default username, and the password is the same as your login password. Yeah, it's the admin panel of your database. Hope this video will very helpful for you. Thanks for watching this video. In the next video, I will show you how to install WordPress locally on your PC using Jamp server or OM server. If you like this video, just click on the like button, and if you have any opinion, please comment below. If you are new in our channel, please subscribe and click on the bell button for next helpful video. Thank you.